my mom gave me the sheet, and now to cut it with my craft scissors, I'll show you what. It's pink, my favorite color. It has a diamond, a heart, and a puppy. Now I'll take it, and now I will cut this piece of fabric. You have to be very careful not to cut out of the lines. Leave a little bit of space. Then put this piece of fabric here. And cut, trim again. Always ask a grown-up to get scissors. Once you are finished, you'll get a piece of fabric like this. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a mask. You fold this length and you fold this length right in the center here. And then you get another length and put it next to the center too. And get another one and put it like this. And another one and put it like that. This is when we are going to make it good. So we have to put this rubber band here. And then the other rubber band. And put the rubber band over the fabric we just folded. And then you just fold this here, get the other piece, and then tuck the big piece inside this little piece, and then this is the time of truth. Ta-da! I made it now, and now I'm going to look in the mirror to see what it looks. Let's go, everybody. Oh my gosh, oh, so fantastic. This is so good. Ooh, the pink texture, the pink bigness. This is so awesome. Thanks for watching, and this is so good. And subscribe. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I love this so much.